Hello, I am back and I'm going to unbox again items that I ordered last month, October, in the United States. They arrived 2 weeks ago and it took about 14 days to reach me here in the Philippines because from the source of the item up to my forwarder in Los Angeles, it takes 4 to 5 days and then another 9 or 10 days from Los Angeles to Metro Manila. So I am here from my favorite brand, which is Levi's and Strauss USA. And we're going to unbox them one by one. Start with this one. I'm going to rip it with my Swiss knife and then we will see what is inside. This is a Western shirt from Levi's. The problem is I ordered two items and they came from two different states. So it means that Levi's now have so many warehouses which are distributed in the different states in the United States. And this one, I think it came from Nevada because previously for the past years, their warehouse is located in Kentucky. And this one, it came from Henderson, Nevada. This one came from one of the cities near Los Angeles. Wow. I've been a sucker for Sawtooth Western shirt. This is size small. The price is 79.50, but I got 30% discount off together with the other item that I ordered. This is made in Bangladesh. It is small. It has, of course, snap buttons, unlike those work shirts wherein you have to have a button. However, the uppermost button is really a ordinary button, and the rest is snap button. Oh, very easy to use, and of course, you will find the tab inside. So you have the four shiny cloth tabs on the inside, and there is extra button on the upper thing. As I said, this is made in Bangladesh, and this is 100% cotton. It says 100% cotton. And we will try to measure the dimensions of the size small. So I have here my measuring tape and we will try to measure. The shoulder is 18 inches. Feet to feet, 20 and 3/4. The waist is 20 inches. And the hem, another 20 inches. The length of the shirt measured from the bottom of the collar at the back, 29 inches, and the length of the sleeves is 24 inches, and on the hem of the sleeves you have three snap buttons. So the other, very easy to use, very easy to remove, and this is colored black. It's 100% cotton. This is a nice shirt to be faded, and it looks like a black indigo. It's not blue, but it is, the way I see it, it is a black indigo. See the other one? This is another Western shirt. We will remove it from the plastic bag. This is a green colored corduroy fabric in Western shirt. I seldom see this in the website or on the local authorized dealer of Levi's here in the Philippines. And when I saw it online, I immediately ordered one. This is size small. It is a standard fit. The price is $69.50 US dollars. But these two, combined these two, 70 plus and then 69, I was able to get a total discount of 30%. But I have to pay 9% tax and the shipping is free. And then I paid another 1,500, ano, I mean 2,000 plus for the two packages. It's good. We will, I like the buttons because it is the pearl colored one as compared to the other one which is black. Is maybe black pearl as compared to this. It has yoke on the side, on the shoulder, both shoulders, and there is a yoke also at the back, and everything is stop button except for the topmost button, and we will try to measure it again because I know sometimes the measurement of Levi's is not consistent depending on the type of shirt, even if they are the same as Western shirt, but sometimes they have. So this one is 17 and a half on the shoulder, which is compared on the Sawtooth Western shirt, which is 19. So this is 17 and a half. Armpit, it is 20 and a half inches. And then the waist, it is 19 and a half. And then at the hem, also 19 and a half. So it looks like it tapers down to from 20 all the way to 19 and a half. It's a difference of 1/2 inch. And then the length of this as compared to the Sawtooth one is 29 inches. This is 28 inches. So this is shorter by 1 inch as compared to the Sawtooth Western. So you will find out that Levi's is not consistent on the measurement, and we will see where this particular Western shirt is made. So this is made from India. That the other one is from Bangladesh. Of course, Bangladesh and India are neighbors, neighboring countries, and of course, you have the glossy strip of tags inside the shirt, and it says it is made in India, and of course, this is 100% cotton. The fabric is very nice and very soft. So this is green, and the other one is indigo black. So we will proceed now to the fitting video.